Torklift is now introducing the 2022 Hyundai Kona to the EcoHitch line. This completely concealed stealth design is available in a 2-inch receiver. To install this hitch on your Hyundai Kona, first remove the passenger side bottom panel. Then, remove the rubber plug to expose the frame access hole. On this install, we will be using a bolt fisher. Use this hole to fish the wire to the access hole. Assemble your bolts on the wire and fish them through. Repeat the process to the second hole. You will want to lower the exhaust by disconnecting it from the exhaust hanger bracket. Next, put the hitch into place. Now fish the third bolt into the access hole. Attach the side support bracket. Repeat the process on the other side. Fasten the hitch into place. Lastly, attach the receiver. Now you've successfully installed the EcoHitch on your Hyundai Kona. For any questions, call us at 800-246-8132.